Bro, something so random happened today that even I got confused. I woke up early for training and heard a weird noise in the living room, like talk, talk, talk. I thought it was the wind, but the sound kept going faster, like someone was knocking rhythmically. When I got closer, I saw my window shaking like a speaker. I was already prepared to think someone was outside. I opened the curtain slowly, full ninja mode. Bro, it was just a little bird pecking the glass, trying to fight its own reflection. The bird looked so serious, it seemed like it wanted to settle some kind of debt with me. I stayed there talking to it, trying to calm it down, but it just stared at me and flew away offended. In the end, I just thought, great. I woke up and already got into a fight with a bird.